Sujood is a miracle from Allah. In prostration is the release of your burdens. In prostration is the removal of your anxieties. In prostration is where the weight of the life of this world is lifted, where dua is answered, where sukoon, tranquility is found, where peace of mind, peace of body, peace of soul, they are all discovered there as you prostrate to Allah. That's where souls are healed. It's the balm of the injured heart. It is there in prostration. Tell Him how you feel. Speak to your Lord, not just as a creator, as a mighty Rabb, yes, but also as a friend who you love, who you need, who you adore. Tell Him about your aspirations. Tell Him what you fear. Tell Him those who are after you. Tell Him what makes you nervous, what keeps you up at night. Tell Him what you want to do with your life. Tell Him what you feel you've missed out on. This is an opportunity to communicate with your Lord in a way that no one can achieve it but the man or the woman who are in a position of sujood. Notice how when you are prostrating, it's very difficult to peep from one side to the other and see what's happening around you. It's lights out, as if every part of your existence has been shut down on that moment so that you focus on one thing and one thing alone, and that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَأَنَّ إِلَىٰ رَبِّكَ الْمُنْتَهَى. Allah said the outcome, the end will be to your Lord. Sujood is a reminder of that. See how much we are missing out on if we don't unlock these meanings.